Recommend highlight features and reviews that people are talking of. GreatCircleUSA Mini Wood Chipper Shredder Mulcher Kohler Engine 6.5 HP 196 cubic centimeters gas powered 2.5 inch. You can find wanted. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. This wood chipper shredder design comes with a extra large hopper for max volume chipping, shredding up to 2.5 inch max branches limbs to mulch all wood to a reduction ratio of 15:1 within. Elongated top adjustable discharge chute. The ability to hook up your chipper to your own personal ATV, lawn mower, small tractor, allows for easy transportation on your land to where you need it. The purchase of a tow bar kit, sold separately. Our wood chipper shredder has a cutting-edge engine supplied by Kohler. Boasting a 6.5 HP 196 cubic centimeters horizontal 4-stroke single-cylinder OHV gas-powered design. Spinning at a 3,600 rpms and a rowdy 10.5 feet-pounds of torque, it can handle loads up to 3-inch diameter wood without a problem. User-friendly features like the ultra-quiet operation, easy pull recoil starter and easy pour accu fill design. Fuel W/87 plus unleaded gasoline, no ethanol recommended, max capacity of 2 quarts, 2.1 liters. Our wood chipper is approved on all fronts and is emission compliant with CARB Phase 3 and EPA Phase 3. The engine is designed to ensure the operator's safety. Always operate machine according to directions in the user manual, always wear the appropriate hand and eye protection, engine oil not included. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.